Chairperson jangka Yora Ecological Solutions IES Swapan Mehra haka kharway tarik ulawan jengo ya kaselong bat ulaya kendo ya uba penyat sing CEM KHADC banyak merjing mud halor ke project baka IES bat ka KHADC JHADC bat JHADC kila sedang mentah la shi senem tam haka jinga kendo bat kinong thok khubor Uswapan Mehra ula bataya ka jing temu jongka IES bat ka KHADC ban penne pensa ya ki dieng ki se knang baka maryang kan kup da ka jing jerngam ka balong ka benta pa kongsan na ka benta ka jing ko jing khia mat jing jalan kerta brio hang ni hasla perthei Uswapan ula ong ka IES ka penslur ki palba ki trai jaka ban tengka ya ki dieng ki se hala ki jong ki jaka ka sorkar jela kan ai ru ki jing kershan da ka pisa ya ki brio ki ba penne pensa ya ki dieng ki se ki klau ki betap ha ki jaka bat ki khandau jongki Ula ong ru baka IES kan sahikaya ki nong rap ke jala ban pendan kam daga karbon ban pensebo eki jaka rap ban kam seiso ka rap karyang. Ula ya thu baka sorkar USA ka kershan borba ban kentiu ya ka jing penne pensa ya ki deng ki sit ki klau ki betam. Kalong kemi ka mi khmat ya ka USA kala dei ban wan lang shalong henrei kala nyun met no bat kamna ashu ban poisha kan ke jaka la ong uswapan.
Which is Delhi based, and we are working with the Meghalaya government, KHADC, JHADC and Garo Hills Council on helping community and farmers in Meghalaya get the best value for their tree assets through carbon finance. So in this we have a partnership with the largest agriculture bank in the world, Rabobank, with whom we are developing this program, and we are soon about to monetize their first carbon in the next 2-3 months. We have onboarded 19,000 hectares, about 9,000 farmers onto our digital platform, and our goal is to take this to 100,000 hectares. Our partnership with KHADC here is very critical, and KHADC under his leadership has been supporting this program for the very beginning. Last year the Honorable Chief Minister launched this program, and then we had a workshop where he also attended, and KHADC has helped us connect with the communities, helped us brief the communities about the value of carbon and the importance of carbon and other such environmental finance, and has also offered to us that we partner with KHADC to leverage their nurseries, the forest department, as long as it benefits the farmers and communities and increases their income. So this is our partnership. Now we are also talking to other funders. One of them is the USDFC and so on and so forth, to actually invest in Meghalaya. And our goal is to work with the state government and the district councils to actually make Meghalaya the green economy hub of India. That is our key goal. So that is why I'm here, to just visit again and update him on the progress of our project, and then to express our interest to continue to work together in this direction. Just
te ka kuman shu ai jimut no ngidon ka rirai no kata ka community land te ki rirai ki babon bha po rikasi ki dangdon nang ta ki don ru kini ki klau kur mo ki bri kur ru ki dang bon bha nang ta ki bri shimet dan ni ki kendo shimet but kam tam ru na kam ta kini ki nong rep ki bodan ki bri kwai ki bri so ba kiwe ba kini kin penne pensa ya ki ding so ya ki ding ki se ki ban long ka jing mentoi ha na kamenta kata ka baka kan yarap ya ka maryang ban pendunai kini ka jing sneo jongka suin beneng kam tam ha ka be day but ka jing long kini ka global warming ha ka perthei bro ka we te ki babun ha ki companies ki ba lani ki kinhon Tremon Subhan Shabar jongka ri India ki pledging mut bha ni po makhlea na mahang ni po makhlea kadang day ka chaka ka ba jerngam mo kata ka green hub ka bangi kwa ban da kumno ru let's say ba ka makhlea sai sien ka jing jerngam ka jong ka jela ka jing kan long ka jimentoi om tang ya ki pa apo jela ndai nam ta ka north east but nam ta ka perthei bro ko we te ka jing sotenat ka jongi ban pensnowi ki pa ba habedep kani program kalong ba lada ki pa ba kiri ki sumal ha ki thong ki ding kamot kan don jing mentoi ki om tang bangi yo kal air ka bakhu oxygen henrei ngi diru yaka shabar ha kan ni ka benta te kani de ka jing tmu jong kani ka jing kenduk jungi bat kani ka program ngila sedang naduk mentala shis tam bat mentas ngi sutunat inshallah wan lang I ba swapan na po Delhi ide chairperson jong ka era ringkat ba representative na po ka sarkar jong ka ri Amerika ibalong ru I clear jong ka ni ka international finance development finance te hendrai nakidau ba I jam jing stom no kensan meneka sengi temla benda dan lang